The ex-hurricane, now we call it tropical storm, Agnes, is now hitting Ireland, western part of the Wales, and then the England and the rest of the United Kingdom. As you can see, we are seeing it in this way. This is the island also, this image now you can see. Western part of the island gets really hit by this hurricane. They start life usually, this kind of tropical storms, full of energy from the Africa and Gulf of Guinea. Then they are pushed by the ocean currents toward the Caribbean Sea, past the Cuba, Florida, and when they reach the middle of the Atlantic, they lose a little bit of their energy. Of course, they are pushed, as you can see, they create a lot of foam also on the seaside. Pushed toward the North Atlantic. That's the reason we can live here, unlike the Halifax and Canada, in a relatively temperate climate in the northern Europe, because of this heat coming from Africa and Caribbean countries. As you can see, this is an island. We have all this rain and the spray of the sea salt blown by the wind toward the coastal areas. And you don't see much trees here because this practically very hardy trees only grows and other things can grow there. Gorse, as if I should say. Yeah, gorse. And this brings the heat. And with the bringing of the heat, it brings also a lot of rain, the moisture which is evaporated from the sea. Some people think this is a good time actually to go and swim, like this gentleman to the right actually, seen in the water. His wife is worried actually. But anyway, she has to leave, and we don't know what happened to the man. Probably he went from the other side up. Anyway, this is difficult actually if you to come out even, because the wave will push you and smash you into the piers. And from the outside of the window, it's looking like that. That's how it's almost like a shower if you're in the bathroom like that. And when you look at the gutters and the roof, this is what you will see. Fortunately, lots of rain we have now. As I mentioned, this storm starts to life in the Gulf of Guinea in Africa, gets the warmth and bring it to the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, and then toward the North Atlantic. Is all across the Atlantic Ocean, reaches the Ireland and Britain, and goes the rest of the Eurasian continent. It brings a lot of moisture also to the central Asia, even as far as that it goes there. So we are now being hit by this storm.